I will start today's video by doing a DIY vinegar and essential oil all-purpose cleaner. As you all know, vinegar, which is the distilled white vinegar or the rose vinegar, has antibacterial properties. So it's very good for you to kill germs and bacteria around the house. Now, the essential oil that is found in the orange peels or the tangerine peels kills most strains of fungal and bacterial infections. So when you combine both of them together, it becomes a very powerful antibacterial cleaner for your whole entire house. The white vinegar that I buy comes in this plastic bottle, as you could see it here. But I don't like to keep it in the plastic bottle, so I usually add it to this glass bottle that you see here. So now that I have all of my oranges peeled, I will be putting all of the peels inside of a jar, and I will be adding white distilled vinegar all the way to the top to cover all of the peels. Now that I have the vinegar all the way to the top and I'm covering all of the orange peels, I'm just going to put this jar away and I'm going to completely forget about it for 2 weeks. You can put it anywhere. It could be a covered space, it could be a dark place. Really, it doesn't matter where you put it. After the 2 weeks, you're going to be able to use the cleaner. Now, it's been the 2 weeks and now I have a bottle, a colander, and a funnel. What I will be doing is that I will be pouring the liquid, which is the vinegar that has extracted all of the essential oils from the orange peels. I'm going to put it on this colander just in case there's any pieces of the peel. Like you see, there's a little piece of the residue there, and you don't want to use that in your cleaner. I mean, you just want the liquid, that's all. As you could see here, now the liquid has become like an orange color, and that's because it has extracted completely all the essential oils from the orange. And now I'm going to put it in a sprayer bottle, and I am going to put half of the bottle is going to be with the vinegar and the essential oil, and the other half of the bottle is going to have water. Now I am going to start by cleaning my kitchen. I'm going to start washing all of my dishes, and I am going to hand wash them because I'm going to clean and I am going to sanitize my dishwasher. This is why I'm hand washing the dishes. Otherwise, I usually put my dishes to wash in the washer. Now that all of my dishes are washed, I'm going to clean and sanitize the sink. I am adding in here baking soda, and then the next thing that I will be doing is I am going to be adding distilled white vinegar, and then the next thing that I will be doing is adding a little bit of dishwashing soap, and this is going to form a paste. And then with this paste, I'm going to clean and sanitize the whole entire sink. The next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to clean and sanitize my dishwasher. I'm putting a bowl on the very top rack that has distilled white vinegar with no water. It's just the pure vinegar. I'm not adding any soap to the dishwasher, and I'm gonna let it run. Next, I'm going to be cleaning all of the surfaces in my kitchen with my DIY essential oil and vinegar cleaner. To clean and sanitize the floors, I will be using half a gallon of warm water to half a cup of distilled white vinegar. That is 1.89 liters of warm water to 1/2 a cup of distilled white vinegar. Now that I'm done with my kitchen, I am gonna clean my bathroom. I'm using a regular toilet cleaner, as you could see it here. Next thing that I'm adding is I am adding pure bleach undiluted to the bowl. Next, I have in this sprayer bottle, I have also bleach. It's undiluted, and I will be spraying bleach in the outer parts of the bowl. For the bidet, I will be using the same toilet cleaner and the same bleach, and I will be spraying everything and leaving it for approximately 15 minutes. Now for the shower, I have a cream cleaner that has bleach. Make sure you get something that has bleach so it could clean and disinfect the whole entire shower. Just to make sure everything is clean and disinfected, I will also be spraying the pure bleach all over the entire shower and also in the shower walls. And I'm gonna leave everything for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and wash it. The same thing goes for the sink. I'm using the same cream cleaner that has the bleach, and I'll be putting it, and I also will be spraying the bleach just to make sure everything is completely clean and disinfected. After the 15 minutes are over, I'll come back to my toilet and I'll start cleaning it. What I usually do is that the brush that I use to clean the toilet, I put it in between the bowl and the seat and I flush. What this does is that it cleans the brush and then I can put it back into the container. The next thing that I'm doing is I am spraying a solution that is made half vinegar and half water, half and half. And what this does is that it cleans and disinfects, because in the toilet seat, I'm not gonna be putting the bleach because that's too strong. And remember, we sit in there. And the same concept applies to the bidet. 15 minutes have passed with the bleach that has been sitting on all the surfaces. And what this does is that it's going to kill all of the germs and all of the bacteria. The same concept applies for the sink where you wash your hands. Now 15 minutes have passed. Now we can go ahead and thoroughly clean it and wash it. This way we made sure that all of the germs and bacteria are completely gone. Again, 15 minutes have passed and we can wash our shower. I usually use a broom because it's so easy to wash with this. Now the broom that I have here, it's only used to wash my shower. Now I'm thoroughly washing all of the floor and all of the walls of the shower. And the last thing that I'm gonna do is I am gonna clean and sanitize my bathroom floors. For this, we're going to be using 1 gallon of water and 3 tablespoons of undiluted bleach. That's 3.78 liters of water and 3 tablespoons of undiluted bleach. I'll also be adding a little bit of dishwashing soap. The next thing that I'll be doing is I will be disinfecting all of the handles of the doors around my house, as well as the electrical switches. Now, for this, I'll be using sanitizing wipes, which is disinfecting wipes, the same thing, and just like the ones that you see here. Next, I'm going to be moving to my living room. I'm going to start cleaning all the floors with a vacuum cleaner, and then I will be mopping the floors. The next thing you want to do is, if you have any exercise equipment around your house, you have to disinfect completely all of the surfaces that people touch the most. The next thing that you want to do is disinfect all of the remote controls that you use around the house. For this, make sure that you use disinfecting wipes. The next thing that I will be doing is I will be cleaning my sectional couch. My sectional couch is made out of Natuzzi leather, so therefore I gotta clean it with special leather cleaner like the one that you see here. Now my whole entire couch is clean and it smells unbelievable. It looks really nice and fresh. Next, I'll be cleaning all of the surfaces around my living room which are not made out of wood with the DIY cleaner that I made, which is the one that has the vinegar and the orange essential oil. Did you know that all of the clothes has germs and bacteria? The only way to kill the germs and bacteria in your clothes is to put your clothes to wash in really hot water, like in the hottest setting of hot water. But obviously this is not possible all of the time because we're gonna damage our clothes. I mean, if you read the label of all of your clothes, most of them say that you have to wash it in warm. Or if they're delicate, you have to wash it in cold water. So it's not possible to kill all of the germs and bacteria in the clothes. But there's one thing. If you air dry the clothes on a really sunny day, the UV and ultraviolet light that the sun has kills all of the germs and all of the bacteria that is lingering around your clothes. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to give us a like and to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. You're free to share this video with your family and your friends, and thanks for watching.